Alright, so another method to solve 31 minus 17 is just a traditional stacking method. So we got a 7 take away 1, but we can't do that. So we gotta borrow. So that becomes a 20 instead of 30. Then we carry 10 over, so that's 11. 11 minus 7, oh, that's 4. And 2 minus 1, which is really 20 minus 10. You're left with 10 and 4, gives you 14. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm going to be teaching us 3 different ways to solve this subtracting problem, 31 minus 17. So this here is considered the jumping method. So we're starting at 31 and we're trying to get 17, right? So we go to a number that we're comfortable with. I'm comfortable with things that end in 0, so 30. So that jumping size is considered 1. Well, minus 1, I'm going to add 1s. And then to get 17, gonna jump another 0 number, so 20. Say 20 is there, right? That's 10. And then 20 is 17. That's 3. So now we add these up. 10 plus 3, it's 13. Plus 1, that's 14. That gives us the answer. 31 minus 17 equals 4. Okay, so the final way that we're going to solve 31 minus 17, we're going to use blocks. So these are going to be the 10s. We're going to just demonstrate 31. So then to take away 17, we take away one of the 10s. So now we're left with 21. And then we got to take away 7 more, so we got to break up one of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. And then, so we can take that one away. Now we got to take 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 10. So we're left 14. Okay, so now we're going to go over converting bases. So we have 92 base 10, which is just 92. And so we're going to convert to base 5. And what that stands for, so that's 5 squared, so that's the 25's place. 5 to the 1 is the 5's place, so how many 5's can we make? And 5 to the 0 is just a singles place. So right now we look at 92, and how many 25's can go to 92? So 25 times 3 is 75, because if you think of it like quarters. So now we're going to take 75 away. So we know that's 3. Gotta borrow. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. And then, excuse me one moment. And now we'll look at how many 5's go to 17. That would be 3 because it's 15. And then we are left with 2. So we have 2 singles. So the answer is 3, 3, 2, base 5. That's it. Okay, so now we're going to go over multiplying different bases. So we have 1, 4 base 5 times 3 base 5. So 3 times 4, that's 12. So we're going to be left with 2 singles. We have 2 groups of 5, so we put the 2 groups of 5 here. So now there's 2. And now 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, that's 5. So that leaves us with 25 exactly. So we're going to have 0 in the 5's place, and then 1 group of 25. So the final answer is 102 base 5. Okay, so now we're going to go over adding different bases. So we have 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 plus 1, 1, 1 base 2. So I wrote this down here just so you guys could get the place value. So this is the singles, and this is how many 2's, the 4's, 8's, and 2. So then, for example, 2 to the 4th would be to the 16. It would be 16. So 1 plus 1, since we can't write 2, that creates a group of 2. So I'm going to combine it and carry it over here, so that's 1. So we got a 0 here. And right here, so since these both are 2, so we can make a group of 4. Carry it over to the 4, drop down the 1. And these right here, both 4, so that creates 8. We can go over here, put a 0. 8 plus 8 is 16, so we can't write that, so that's another 0. This group moves to the next twice. And we have 116, so it's 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Okay, so we're gonna go over another adding in different bases problem. This time in base 5, so we have 2, 3 base 5 plus 3, 4 base 5. So again, these are the singles. So 3 plus 4 gives you 7. So how many groups of 5 can you make? So 5 take away 7, you're left with 2 singles. And then you have 1 group of 5. So right here, there's 5, 6. So this alone, you can make 1 group of 25. So we're gonna have 1 group of 25. So we have 1 group of 5 left. And then we have 1 group now. Base 5. So the final answer is 1, 1, 2, base 5. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover the divisibility rule of 3. And the rule is that the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So what that means is, for example, if we have 717, and if we're trying to find what's divisible by, we'd add these up right here. So 7 plus 1, that's 8. 8 plus 7, that's 15. So then if this number is divisible by 3, which it is, 3 divided by 15 is 5. So that's how we know that 717 is also divisible by 3. 7, 1, 7, check. So just to prove that 717 is divisible by 3, I'll do it for you guys on the board. So 3 goes into 7 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 can't go into 1, so we have to bring down that one. So 3 can go into 11 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. We're left with 2. 3 can't go into 2, so I have to bring down the 7. So 3 can go into 27 9 times. And that is 27, and you're at 0. So 3 can go into 717 239 times.